Good morning. As you can see, we have our first row of block in, buried and filled with our 3/4 stone, and we put our first layer of geogrid down. This grid provides stability to the wall. It's basically an anchoring system. It gets sandwiched between the blocks. Then our 3/4 stone will be here, and then the back portion will be dirt, and it'll all be compacted in, and it just adds strength and stability to the wall. Walls generally that are 4 feet or under 4 feet don't require it. This wall is exactly 4 feet, or is going to be 4 feet. So we had this wall designed by an engineer for the township, and also, you know, anytime you're building something 4 feet or bigger, you should have it designed by an engineer, just to CYA. But yeah, this wall is requiring 3 layers of geogrid. We'll put 2 more courses of block, so there'll be that block and then another block on top of it, and then another layer of grid, and then there'll be 2 more blocks, another layer of grid, and then the final row of block, and it'll all be buried and you won't see it. And this wall will last a lifetime. There's also some drainage going in. It's going to go in right on top of this. We're going to put a little stone in first, but I'll do another video once we get that pipe in.